Alright, this is my second web turtle submission. This one is for branching. And so what we're going to do is start out with a new drawing. And we're going to do branching. So we start with the command if, and then we got to put an input in. So we do the up caret, and we're gonna say it's input number 1. It's our first input thing right here. And we end that with a number. So we're saying if input 1's number is, let's do let's do less than. We're gonna do less than 10. Then we're gonna draw a shape. So we do what we learned in looping. So repeat. We're gonna just draw a regular square. So repeat for draw 50. That's actually, we'll go 100. Draw 100. Angle right 90. And let's add color. So color, what's the green one? The green's 3. So green 3. And then we end it with next. And then we gotta have, if it isn't less than 10, so if it's greater than 10, we need to add that. So that's our else category. Else. And then we're just gonna do another square, but a different color square. So repeat for draw 100, right 90, and then color, we'll go with orange, so 5. Color 5, and end off with next like usual. And that's the end of our programming or our inputs stuff. So we have to say that. So we have to put end if. And so let's try it out. Let's try and see if we have a number greater than 10. So 11. And let's go and draw it. And there we go. We have our orange square. Now let's see if it's less than 10. Let's put 5. Draw it. And there's your green square. Easy peasy. This is my branching submission for the screencast. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope I did it right. And thank you.